Please note, extremely dirty pipes should be boiled first. This is the regular maintenance pipe cleaning video. Warmth is key. Submerge all pieces in hot tap water, then choose a brush. This is size 1 and size 2 and have 5 more. Insert brush to block opening and squirt in a small amount of Mile High Cleaner. Scrub it until all resin melts. Then add dish detergent and scrub again. A warm bowl like this should take 30 seconds.
Look at how black and dirty that is. Look at how black and dirty that is. I mean, that's incredibly bad looking, isn't it? And from what you're used to, that would be really tough to get off.
And now, a comment from the inventor on isopropyl alcohol.
Now, what's the difference between this and using solvents like isopropyl alcohol? Well, isopropyl alcohol is made from fossil fuels, so it is harmful to you and to the environment.
Isopropyl alcohol is a toxic solvent and would dissolve the brushes and magnetic scrubber used in cleaning this paraphernalia. In addition, it will kill the good bacteria in the sewer or septic tank and contribute to ground-level ozone, which kills 1 million people per year. But Mile High easily cleaned the bowl. It was fast and cheap and used just few drops of cleaner. That is how cleaning is done. There is a reason this brush comes with a lifetime warranty. In addition, we only used about 2/3 of our sample packet and we cleaned all these pieces. Now bend those brushes to fit your pipe. Add a squirt of cleaner through all openings, cover openings, and shake to coat. Scrub through the mouth and carb only. The combustion bowl hole may be weak from repeated heating. Bend the tip of one brush into a U and use the bristles on the ends to scrub the bowl. Never insert a brush into the bowl hole, just use the fan end bristles. Expect great results. Just use warmth, tools, and a squirt of Mile High Cleaner. Kills germs and bacteria, but is so natural I can drink it. Renewable, sustainable, organic, plant-based, odorless, cheap, effective, and fast. MileHighCleaner.com